Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Sheldon.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today we're over here at Origin's beautiful condo complex on the west of the Panama City Beach, you would say, across from Sharky's. Loving this quiet 2-bedroom unit we've got over here at Origins. Sheldon, what's one of your favorite things about this unit?
Well, one of my favorite things, it has a stackable washer and dryer that come with it. It also has 2 different balconies with your different sunrise views. So a little bit different than your normal Gulf front.
Early riser, beautiful spot. And it's turnkey, guys. Furnished, ready to go. Use that for vacation rental income, for your second beach getaway, have that spot at the beach, or enjoy that condo life and don't have to mow a yard. And I've been told, the feedback we're getting is that the people are enjoying that it's on the quiet side of the building. It's very serene.
Yes.
Top floor, so no one's above you. So if you want kind of a quiet spot to kind of escape away from all the beach hustle and bustle, this is your spot, and lowest priced in the building.
Well, let's talk about the location real quick. This thing is just in walking distance of all kinds of great restaurants. You have Sharky's, you have Runaway Island, and Kim, do you see this view? Look at this water, it doesn't get much better than that.
And Funland is a little bit.
Oh, Funland, how could I forget Funland?
Ice cream and skee ball is where it's at.
Cheap beer and burgers too as well.
If you want to check out this gorgeous 2-bedroom at Origins under $470, we would love to show it to you. Please give us a call.
If you want more information about this property, click the link below. You can see all kinds of photos and get all the other goodies that you may need.
And make sure you don't forget to ring that bell. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.